Even in today's video we will see how to fix the Xbox games not showing in my collection. Missing game library fix. The fix one verify you are signed in into the correct Microsoft account. So press the Xbox button to open the guide. Then go to profile and system. Now confirm you are signed in with the Microsoft account that owns the game. If necessary, sign out and sign back in with the correct account. The fix to check your full library. So press the Xbox button, open My Games and App. Now select See All, then go to Full Library and click on Owned Games. Check whether the missing games appear there. Fix 3. Remove Library Filter. Open My Games and App. Now select Filter or Short. Now clear any filter such as Installed Only, Console Generation, Game Type, Storage Location. Refresh the library afterward. The fix 4. Restart your Xbox console. So hold the Xbox button on the console for about 10 seconds until it shut down. Now wait 30 to 60 seconds. Turn the console back on, then open my collection page. Fix 5. Verify the purchase history. Visit your Microsoft account order history. Verify the game purchase is listed. If it appear in your purchase history, open the game store page and select install if available. The fix 6. Search for the game in the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store on your Xbox. Search for the missing game. If the game shows installed instead of buying, select install. Once installed, it should appear in your collection. The fix 7. Remove and re-add your Xbox profile. So go to setting, then click on account. Now click on remove account. Now remove your profile, restart the console and add the same Microsoft account. Again, allow your library to sync. The fix 8. Power cycle the console. A pull power cycle clear cached system data. Turn off the Xbox completely. Unplug the power cable for 2 minutes and plug it back in. Then turn on the console and check my collection. Fix 9. Contact Xbox support. If your purchased game still does not appear after the completing the above steps, verify your purchase receipt and order history. Then contact Xbox support with your Microsoft account detail and proof of purchase so they can restore missing licenses if necessary. Goodbye and thanks for watching.